Hey, STEMsters, don't discard that bottle yet, because today we're going to turn it into STEM. Oh, hi, STEMsters. It's me, Professor Jim. Today, we're going to build our own pitching machine. The pitching machine was invented in 1897 by a man named Charles Hinton. He was a math professor at Princeton University, where he used the pitching machine for baseball practice. It was very versatile. It could throw fastballs, slow ball, even a curved ball, and different size balls. The pitching machine used black powder. As you can imagine, several people got hurt. And that's probably how he lost his job that year. He later took his pitching machine to the University of Minnesota, where he became the assistant math professor there until 1900. So now we're going to make our own pitching machine, but first let's go over what type of tools and what parts we're going to need to do that. These are the parts and the tools you're going to need to build your pitching machine. First, we have the water bottle from your Recyclables, a Sharpie pen, scissors, or a specialty cutter. Then we have a nut or some kind of bead to pull on the string, 2 rubber bands, some string, color tape, and then a single hole puncher. Welcome back, STEMsters. Now that you've built your own pitching machine, we're gonna do some STEM. So first of all, you wanna have a projectile. That's an object, a ball, or something that fits inside that we're going to launch, which projects farther than we are. So let's give it a try and see how far our new pitching machine will go. Wow, that was pretty far. Now that you launched the ball, we need to measure it. And to measure it, we're going to need a tape measure. Now, tape measure has different parts, but what we're concerned with are the numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, and those are inches. And when you get to 12, that's a foot. So now we have inches and feet. So what we're gonna do now is to measure the distance. We make a mark where we started and we measure from there. So we'll bring it all the way out as far as it went, and we got 6 feet 4 inches. So we want to write 6 feet 4 inches in our data logbook. Now we can make changes to our pitching machine just like Charles Hinton probably did. We can change the rubber bands. We can use thicker rubber bands or thinner rubber bands, or we can use a different size ball. Maybe a larger ball, a smaller ball, a heavier ball, a basketball, a soccer ball, all kinds of different changes. So have fun, and don't forget to write everything down in your data logbook. Until next time, I'm Professor Jim. And don't forget to subscribe. Just press the button somewhere on there and visit our website at ProdigySTEM.com. Bye.